In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. Let's get started. Here I'm heading towards the YouTube, and from the YouTube, we'll go through our channel. We'll go to YouTube Studio here. And when you launch to the YouTube Studio, you have to go to here, customization. You have to click on customization, and there you have a channel customization. You have three options: layout, branding, and basic info. So you have to click on basic info, and on the basic info here you can see there is option like to change your name and handle and the description. There you have an option to change your name. Here I'm gonna change it. I'm just changing it to motivational channel just for random. And most likely if you change your channel name, you have to change your handle. It's totally up to you. We're gonna change your handle accordingly. See if this handle is available. This handle is not available, so I'm gonna just change it. Now this handle is available, so I'm just selecting this handle, and you're gonna just set it to publish, and this will gonna publish. And yes, now it's published. But what you have to do, you have to just keep in mind that you can only change your name twice in 14 days. You can change your name, your channel name, only 2 times in the 14 days. That's it for today. I hope you have find helpful this tutorial. Just subscribe to our channel.